In ScriptMate, easily load your commands in two ways. Browse and select a pre-made command JSON file, either one you created or a teammate did, and save it. Your commands will appear in the side panel. I'll show the second option soon, but first, play a script and choose some arguments or values. For instance, select a boolean. Then, press Enter to execute the command. It's all set. It doesn't matter which command you're executing. Similarly, play and choose from various options and input a string. We also have enum options. As you saw earlier, you can execute commands in your terminal. They'll run seamlessly. The second option is manually adding your script and its arguments. For instance, take a git command like git reset with an argument named mode. Let's use an enum with 3 values, defaulting to mixed types. Positional and unquoted settings are true for that. Similarly with ref and other options. Save the command and you're ready. Play git reset and select the mode. Again, choose from enum options. If the preview looks good, click to run your command. You're all set.